Here's some Yin Yang trivia. Subscribe. What kind of energy does Yang represent? Is it A, thermal, B, active, C, static, or D, potential? The correct answer is B, active. What kind of energy does Yin represent? Is it A, kinetic, B, dynamic, C, active, or D, passive? The correct answer is passive. What circle shape contains the Yin Yang symbol? Is it A, circle, B, rectangle, C, square, or D, hexagon? The correct answer is A, circle. What element is Yin commonly associated with? Is it A, water, B, wood, C, fire, or D, air? The correct answer is A, water. Which universe concept does Yin Yang symbolize? Is it A, cosmic duality, B, temporal flux, C, spiritual enlightenment, or D, cosmic singularity? The correct answer is A, cosmic duality. What is the Chinese character for Yin? Is it A, Yang, B, C, Ming, or D, Yin? The correct answer is D, Yin. What is the Chinese character for Yang? Is it A, B, C, or D, Yang? The correct answer is D, Yang. What philosophical metaphor does Yin Yang provide? Is it A, complementarity, B, isolation, C, conflict, or D, simplicity? The correct answer is A, complementarity. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.